start with the name of the God. So today there's one thing, why people didn't succeed in the companies. What is the reason? So first of all, definitely if your company give you the visa, they trust on you. So if they trust on you, that's why they give you the visa. So people want, the company can trust, but they don't want to trust. Like how they don't want to trust? So they come to this industry and definitely the owner of the company, they bring the listing. So he spent money and then the listing is hot and then premium and signature, and then he got the leads and then closed the deal. And always the company support required for that one. But mostly people, what they are doing, they don't want to trust. They think, oh my God, the next year what happened, this property going to the company, this. If you are good with the owner, believe me, if you change 5 companies, the owner will stay with you. First thing. Second thing, whatever the company rule regulation, just follow that thing. No one is here to take things from you guys. So if you do right things, you're keeping that with the owner and giving the right information, definitely owner don't know which company you're working for. When owner call to the company, when you give him wrong information, when you not provide him the money, when you are not giving the checks, then he contact with the company, and then the company know like what happened, what this type of things. So what we have to do, we have just go straight forward. Don't play with the owner, don't play with the client, don't play with anyone. So believe me, you will stay longer in the company. And keep in mind, if you want to stay in the company, you have to stay at least long time, not short time. You know what happened? Every year you have the renewals. If you work for that, let's say 1 year, and you rent minimum 50 apartment, so next year you have 50 to between 75,000 the renewal and the new contract for that. So if you lose the company, so some of the owners, they want to work with the company, they don't want to work with you. So in this scenario, what happened? You lose your some of the owners for that. And second thing, if you work more, stay in the company, the people trust on you. They trust definitely is working in the company is good for him. And if you start working in the company and you getting the money and money start for that one, then believe me, don't lose in this company, because the reason your risk is start. And once your risk is stopping, once you start be just start to be a big player and looking like this, oh, I am doing like this one. No, always the company support is required. Without company support, none of the person is nothing. Like sometimes the problem is happen, and then you ask yourself, please help like this, like this. Definitely the company you support, you are working the company, the boss is there to support you. So if he support you always for this type of things, whatever the time he is, like this is up and down, it's happening from both parties. So you have to support the company, and then company have to support you. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos, and if there are new thing is coming to my mind, definitely I will tell you guys, and hopefully I will try my best to daily I can give you some of the new information. Stay tuned for more videos.